Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. Today we're going to take a first look at the new Wyze Cam Outdoor version 2.
Version 2. So this is it. It looks identical to version 1.
It does.
That's pretty much the same. So it's got a power cord, so micro USB charging just like before. The charging brick, some screws to mount with, a quick start guide, so you can always do the quick start guide.
And this little base. Right, comes with the base and the camera. Now this does need a base station in order to work, and the base station works with
up to 4 outdoor cameras. We have 2 currently. This is the 3rd one. Works just fine.
So we'll go ahead and get this installed and show you how it works. Thank you.
Thank you.